Hi and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how I build my Hypnodrugs, especially my drinkable potions. So what I'm talking about something like that. And in this specific one I used yellow food color and I used edible glitter to make this shiny nice effect. I have already used edible glitter from 3 companies and I want to compare in this video these 3 companies so you can see what to expect when you buy something for yourself. The first company, and I will not pronounce the name because I'm very bad at spelling English letters, but look on the screen, this company sadly discontinued delivering on Amazon, so I'm not sure if they still provide it somewhere, but I couldn't find it. I still wanted to show you because so you can see what other companies deliver. As you can see in the video, I use really a tiny little bit of this pulver, and in this container it's like 3 grams, and like it took ages to get a bottle, one of these containers half empty. I didn't empty one of it yet. The only one I don't have anymore is one color that isn't distributed in water really well, so whenever I used it, there was like particles left, like clumping, and yeah, so I did throw it away. As I said, it's from China. There's other companies delivering the same stuff, so I guess they just changed the brand name. Not sure about that, honestly. But also for me, I want to reorder from a Europe company, just because in Europe we have like these health regulations and I know whatever is in there is absolutely healthy for us. What I have seen on the ingredients list from the Chinese is also good. That's why I still use it, but you never know if the regulations over there is good or not. I didn't research that, so they could be good. I don't know. I still use this one, but I prefer, like I said, European one. And that's the reason why I switched over to Hypno. This is a company from the Netherlands and I got it recommended. And sadly, I didn't look closely to the names of the colors because it's a shimmer. This is basically saying like not a strong color, just like a slightly shining of this color. And yeah, when you put in the colors in the water, as you see in the video, the colors are nice, they are good. The glitter is perfect, but sadly, you don't have those vibrant colors, and I really like the vibrant colors. So if you want to go for a nice package, you got there 12 colors and all of them work very well. Then yes, go for it. This company is very good. They're from the Netherlands, all ingredients are healthy. So that is a recommendation from my side. But like I said, I wanted stronger colors, and so I looked a bit further and I got a recommendation for Glytter. And this company is producing in Germany, they're sending around, at least in Germany. I didn't look for other countries, so please bear with me. And the sad thing from my opinion is you don't get a package where you can order like all colors together, so you need to collect them by yourself, but that's not a big deal. And the good thing, they have really big boxes, like one box is 10 grams, like this is more than 3 times of the other boxes. So I'm pretty sure this will hold for ages for me. Not sure if I will ever need something new. And as you see in the video, I also don't use a lot of the pulver. And the colors are very nice. I didn't have any problems. They all worked so well, so I'm very happy with it. And also like the other companies, if you drink one of this glitter, it's not a problem. You don't have any taste of it, so it's tasteless. It's very good. I really like it. This is a company I will go for, especially because the colors they have are really nice. I will include links to both companies that you still can get to Amazon, so you can jump in directly. For Hypno, I will post a link directly to the product that I used, and for Glytter, I will post a link to the company on Amazon, so you can see what they have and can choose for yourself. And yeah, I post this video basically as a supplement for a Hypnodrug workshop I give on Spellbound. And the Hypnodrug workshop I will record as well. I'm not sure if I will have done it on the Spellbound or if I will record it when I'm back at home. So it will take some few weeks, and then you can also hear what I talked about Hypnodrugs. So stay tuned, maybe there's something interesting for you. Have a good day.